Yes, sir, Mr. Peebles. Don't worry about a thing. Right, Mr. Peebles? But first, I'll have a bit of lunch, too. Dog food, cat food, but no gorilla food. How about that? I don't get bought soon. I'm going to develop a real guilt complex. I'm rejected by society. You are a very astute observer of gorilla nature, little girl. Shall do, sir. Look at this. Rule 69772. Regular bathing of animals is mandatory. I'll just go wash up right away. After all, a clean Magilla is a happy Magilla. And while I'm out, I'll take a look around. Hello there, sir. Nothing like an after-show snack. Merely observing Rule 495 in the book, sir. An animal's normal eating habits shall not be disturbed.